Hey, welcome to the shop. I'm about to start working on my Sportster. Today I'm getting down to the finishing touches of this stage of the build. I've got a new LED headlight to put on from Moon's MC. I've got some graphics. I've got a kickstand lift. I've got a carbon fiber heat shield for the exhaust and an S&S performance air intake. Well, let's get to work. I just got to figure out which wire's for the left blinker and which one's for the right. With this headlight, I only need one wire for each blinker. So I'm going to ditch the grounds and I'm going to ditch the running lights and keep the two blinker wires. I'll get the kickstand lift on next. When I got this bike, it was lowered, so I've already had to put a longer kickstand on, but still got more gangster lean than I want, so time to get that on. think I forgot to mention it, but I got a set of FLO foot pegs that I need to put on. At some point, I got to take this pin out on the left side and replace it with a bolt so I can crank it down tight for hooking my foot underneath it. But I didn't have anything lying around the garage that would work for that. I really liked the Rusty Butcher graphics on my Fox shocks, but the yellow was throwing off my whole thing. So I figured the easiest way to fix the color was to order some Fox mountain bike graphics, because you can pick whatever color you want. I wanted a little moto style on my bike, and Harley forks are made by Showa, so why not use some dirt bike fork graphics? I had a heat shield that came with my exhaust, but it was floating around this side of the garage when I was remodeling everything in here, and I lost it. I got a universal heat shield from P3 Carbon, so I'd say it ended up being a pretty awesome mistake. Well, I am this close to being able to put some miles on this bike. With these years of the Sportster, when you raise it up in the back end and put big old sprockets on it, you need to add a chain roller so that it doesn't rub. And that is the last part that I'm waiting for. There's gonna be some loose ends, and I've got more plans for this bike down the line, but I'm really looking forward to getting some seat time on it. Hopefully by next week, my last piece arrives and we can take this thing out for a shakedown ride. See how everything feels. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hope you guys subscribe. Drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching.